While the concept of secret things might be misleading or suggest manipulation, it's possible to explore essential aspects of fostering a deep, meaningful connection with a man. Let's delve into these aspects in a more elaborate manner, ensuring that the emphasis remains on genuine connection and mutual growth. 1. Understanding and acceptance. Begin by truly understanding and accepting your partner for who they are. Embrace their strengths and acknowledge their weaknesses without judgment. This creates a foundation of trust and genuine connection. 2. Effective communication. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. Establish open, honest, and respectful communication. Encourage your partner to express themselves and actively listen to understand their perspectives. Effective communication builds a bridge between hearts. 3. Shared values and goals. Identify common values and goals that align with both of your aspirations. A shared vision for the future creates a sense of unity and purpose, reinforcing your commitment to each other. 4. Intimacy beyond physical. While physical intimacy is important, emotional and intellectual connection is equally vital. Engage in deep conversations, share your thoughts and feelings, and nurture a bond that goes beyond the physical realm. 5. Respect for individuality. Respect your partner's individuality and personal space. Allow each other the freedom to pursue individual interests and maintain a sense of self within the relationship. This fosters personal growth and prevents feelings of suffocation. 6. Support and encouragement. Be a supportive partner in both triumphs and challenges. Offer encouragement, celebrate successes, and provide a comforting presence during difficult times. This creates a strong emotional connection and builds trust. 7. Quality time together. Devote quality time to shared activities that bring joy to both of you. These shared experiences create lasting memories and deepen the emotional connection. Whether it's a hobby or a simple date night, prioritize time together. 8. Surprise gestures. Inject spontaneity and surprise into your relationship. Thoughtful gestures, whether big or small, show your partner that you appreciate and cherish them. Surprise acts of kindness can reignite the spark and keep the relationship vibrant. 9. Continuous self-improvement. Commit to personal growth and encourage your partner to do the same. Actively seek ways to improve yourself, both individually and as a couple. This demonstrates a dedication to the relationship's evolution and long-term success. 10. Celebrating differences. Embrace and celebrate the differences between you and your partner. Recognize that no one is perfect, and diversity in personalities can enhance the richness of the relationship. Acceptance of differences fosters harmony. 11. Building trust. Trust is the bedrock of a lasting connection. Be reliable, honest, and transparent in your actions. Trust is earned through consistency, and a trustworthy foundation is essential for a relationship to flourish. 12. Expressing affection. Regularly express your love and affection through both words and actions. Verbalize your feelings, complemented by physical gestures that convey warmth and closeness. Consistent expressions of love reinforce the emotional bond between partners. In conclusion, winning a man's love and devotion involves a combination of genuine understanding, effective communication, shared values, and continuous effort. It's about building a foundation of trust, respect, and affection that stands the test of time. While these aren't secret per se, they are often overlooked in the quest for an enduring connection. Prioritize these aspects, and your relationship will likely thrive with love and devotion for a lifetime.